Hello everyone, I am Mimi Filmaharita and today I will explain about the economics and ICT learning media. So, let's discuss. So, the first is, what is learning media? According to Umar Hamalik, learning media are tools, methods, and techniques that can be used in learning to provide effective communication between teacher and student in the learning process at school. One of the learning media used in learning is internet-based learning media or e-learning. And the next is learning resource. Learning resources are all sorts or whatever in the form of data, people or object that can be used to provide learning facility for students. Learning resources include messages, people, materials, equipment, technique, and environment or settings. And learning resources are divided into two, namely the first, learning resource designed or learning resource by design is our learning resource that are intentionally made for learning purpose, such as textbook, teaching materials, audio programs, sound slide programs, and transparency or OHT. And the second is learning resource that have been provided, or learning resource by utilization, or learning resource that are not specifically designed for learning purpose. However, it can be used for learning purpose, such as government official, expert religious leaders, sportsmen, zoos, and so on. And the next is learning media and technology. In learning media and technology, there are several advantages in using computer networks in the distance education system. Namely, the first is can enrich tutorial model. Second, can solve learning problem faced by students in a short time. And the third, can overcome the barriers of space and time to obtain information. And the next is classification of media. The classification of media according to experts is as follows. The first is Wilbur-Scrum, classified into three, namely complex media, expensive and simple media. And two, Checkney, classified into seven, namely object to be demonstrated, oral communication, print media, still images, moving images, sound film, and machine learning. And the third is Edgar Dale, argues that from experience that is concrete to abstract, namely with the following level is a direct purposeful experience, or in Indo, pengalaman melalui pengalaman langsung, and B, contrived experience, in Indo, pengalaman melalui tiruan. C, dramatic experience is pengalaman melalui dramatisasi. D, demonstrant experience, yaitu Indonesia, yaitu pengalaman melalui demonstrasi seperti melakukan tarian, pakaian, dan sebagainya. A, food trip, yaitu pengalaman melalui karya wisata. F, exhibit, yaitu pengalaman melalui pameran. G, television motion picture, yaitu pengalaman melalui gambar hidup atau gambar bergerak. And the next material is about the use of learning media. The use of learning media in the learning process is as follows. The first, clarify the presentation of the messages so that it is not too verbalistic or in the form of written or spoken words. And second, overcome the limitation of space. time and sense, such as objects that are too large can be replaced with reality, picture, film, or model. And the third, appropriate and varied use of educational media can overcome the passive attitude of students. And the fourth, with a unique attitude to each student couple with a different environment and experience.